Building a transparent supply chain. The supply chain must be regulated for production and consumption, cost of raw materials, labor expenses, supply shortages, item installation costs and transportation costs for the company to stay effective. Supply chain management aids companies in identifying inefficiencies and reducing costs while increasing revenues. Although supply chain integration has been an essential part of the business, it has been an inevitable form of risk lately. It's being scrutinized more closely by customers, shareholders, and authorities. Supply chain management aims to provide a more strictly regulated and unimpeded picture of a corporation's supply chain practices, which can be profitable for the company if developed correctly. Customers are curious about how businesses manufacture their goods. According to a recent survey on sustainable business practices, 9 out of 10 customers will quit buying from firms that aren't transparent. Customers generally have more options than ever, and they prefer to support businesses that are willing to disclose data about their production processes. Customers will have no way of knowing whether they're backing a company that matches their beliefs, especially their environmental commitments, if this isn't done. Transparency in the supply chain is essential. The transparency of the distribution chain responds to the query, where do all these things come from? Supply chain management, according to Modern, resolves issues regarding purity, security, and morality, such as, is the item natural? Is it locally produced? Is it environmentally friendly? Is it from a well-known country? Are there any fair labor and trade practices in place? Are the techniques of procurement and manufacturing eco-friendly? Supply chain management focuses on making each stage of the manufacturing process public, from the extraction of raw materials to the delivery of the final piece, intending to maintain consistency throughout. One could be asking why supply chain transparency is so crucial after hearing so much about it. Exposing routes will be a crucial aspect of creating confidence and maintaining a public image. By deliberately removing the transparency that previously cloaked distribution networks, CEOs, shareholders, customers, and authorities can know where and how items are obtained and made. Transparency in chain management aids organizations in maintaining standards of quality and safety, reducing risks, and increasing investor sentiment. These organizations will be able to produce smarter choices about company strategy, investing opportunities, acquisitions, and legal needs as a result of increased transparency. With effective planning, organizations can manage visibility to build credibility and brand recognition. To attain this objective, the difficulty will be to identify the most effective methods and standards of security. Companies large and small are doing their part to curb their effort on the environment and preserve natural resources for future generations. It often includes reducing energy and water usage, investing in reusable storage materials, using recycled materials, and creating a safe, sustainable work environment for employees. But these sustainability efforts won't make that much of a difference unless consumers have access to this information. Supply chain transparency means sharing information about how your products are made with the people to whom you're selling your products. Even if your sustainability efforts are still a work in progress, you can show your consumers that you're staring down the right path. It includes all kinds of hot-button issues like fair trade practices, paying your employees a decent wage, and even offering some continuing education programs. Investing in these kind of programs can help you win over consumers that share these beliefs. How to make your supply chain more transparent. Partnering with transparent, sustainable suppliers. Your company is only as good as its suppliers. You can't sell yourself as a leader in sustainability unless your suppliers are working towards the same goals. Having a transparent supply chain also means sharing information about your suppliers with the public, making sure your suppliers share your commitment to these issues. You can work with your suppliers to learn more about how they source and deliver their products. If one of your suppliers doesn't exactly get a gold star when it comes to sustainability, you can either find a new supplier or work with them to correct these issues. Your suppliers should be willing to share information with you about their practices so that you can pass this information along to consumers. Tracing sourced ingredients and materials. Working in tandem with your suppliers, you should be able to trace every material or ingredient used in the making of your company's products, including where and how these materials are harvested, the working conditions of the people that harvest these materials, and the environmental impact of these materials. If you're in the food industry, you should take the time to learn about the animals or fields responsible for these ingredients and whether your supplier is looking out for the environment. The same is true of your manufacturing materials. Find out if any of these materials are hazardous to the environment and whether they can be recycled or reused. It also includes the resources needed to move and protect these materials as they move through the supply chain. If you discover that some of these materials or ingredients are harmful to the environment, look for a more sustainable alternative. Creating open lines of communication. Transparency usually means shareability. You and your business partners should be ready to share information and the public at large. If you have a question about your company's source materials or ingredients, your suppliers should be ready to answer. Whether using text messages, email, or a digital supplier quality management system, you need to keep these lines of communication open instead of blindly signing on the dotted line when your supplier shows up with another order. Investing in reliable communication also applies to your relationship with your consumers. Your company probably has at least one social media account or a contact page, and your consumers expect you to respond if they have an inquiry about your business. In addition to sharing information about your supply chain on your website or via a press release, make sure you're making time to answer any customer questions directly. Storing and sharing data about your supply chain. You can't create a transparent supply chain unless you're actively monitoring your operations and collecting data on how your products are made. Sharing information about your company with the public shouldn't be a hassle. With the right business software, you can automatically collect data on your company and its products, so you can quickly pass the information along to anyone interested, including the press, shareholders, and your customers. It includes data about your workforce, how they're treated and how much they're paid, how much energy and water you use to create your products, how your products are made, and how they move through the supply chain. Automate the data collection process to save time and send it off with just a few clicks. Aligning productivity and business systems is the first step. The majority of companies rely on a sales department as well as third-party audits. 3/4 of businesses have 5 or even more employees, and 80% are expanding, financial, staff, etc. The people responsible for ensuring responsible procurement are usually assigned to procurement, regulatory, or sustainable divisions. Each has its own set of advantages. Whenever a gatekeeping strategy is required, referring to the legal staff, for example, is suitable since legal teams have more power over judgment, resulting in endorsement at the highest levels of the organization. Submitting to the procurement department, on the other hand, is acceptable when a coordinated approach to sustainable business is required, as that team has direct influence over supplier selection. Shops that alter their responsibilities depending on the latest demands of their transparency programs, as each organization is unique. Make audit a priority. Auditing is a systematic and rigorous examination of vendor companies' social and environmental practices and effects. Audits guarantee that manufacturers follow retailer, vendor rules of ethics and applicable local regulations in their simplest form. Inspections collect data on future problems, examine salary, employment, and other documents, and question employees. It aims to reflect light on industrial procedures by observing them firsthand, providing valuable information for traceability. Companies are frequently identified for inspections relating to risk evaluation that considers a variety of factors. Audits can be scheduled or unscheduled. They quickly update cooperative corrective measures programs to assist production leaders in resolving non-complaint issues, strengthening the connection between retailers and their vendors. Educate leadership and employees on best practices. As a result, supplier factory leadership and personnel's information, talents, capabilities, and behavior improve, allowing the company to be more open about its functions and practices. Sellers' storage programs can address many topics such as conformance, manufacturing, health and safety, human resources management, interaction, grievance procedures, worker-manager connectivity, salaries, extra pay, freedom of assembly, and sustainable development. Encourage supplier chains to be open. Businesses are creating updated information technologies and analytic tools, as can be shown. They are assisting businesses in assessing the risks posed by suppliers and partners and making better buying and audit choices. Groups are developing useful tools and methods to allow businesses to standardize how they work with their vendors. Other actions, such as raw resources tracking involving partners and evaluating relevance and hazards, enable businesses to acquire the data they have to narrow their attention on the most important issues in their distribution networks. Conclusion. As a result, we're seeing more open businesses about their supply chains, operations, effects, and aspirations, among other things. In particular, cooperative organizations audit all of their partners' factories available in the firm. Making your supply chain more transparent shows consumers that you have nothing to hide. Consumers deserve to know more about how these products are made to make informed decisions when comparing different brands, even if your company is still working towards some big goals. You can start sharing information about how your products are made to win the support of your consumers. Find suppliers that support your cause. Trace your ingredients and materials, create open lines of communication, and collect as much data on your operations as possible. If you like the video, give us a like to make more videos like this one, and tell us in the comment section below what type of videos you want. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly videos.